Ever thought about starting your own vegetable garden but don't know where to begin? Well, let's change that. Vegetable gardening is not only simple, it's also incredibly rewarding. Imagine stepping into your backyard and picking fresh produce right off the vine. Not only does it offer an unrivaled freshness to your meals, but it also serves as an engaging and therapeutic hobby. So let's get your thumbs a little green. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to start your own vegetable garden. First things first, your garden needs a location. A sunny spot with fertile soil and easy water access works wonders. To test your soil, a simple home kit can reveal its nutrient levels. Once you've found the perfect spot, you're ready for the next step. Now that you've got a location, it's time to decide what vegetables to grow. For beginners, consider easy-to-grow options like lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Always remember, your choice should reflect your local climate and the current season. With your vegetables selected, it's time to get planting. So you've chosen your location and your vegetables. Now, the real fun begins. Start by sowing your seeds or transplanting seedlings into the fertile ground. Remember, they need room to grow, so space them out. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Regular weeding keeps your plants happy, as does a good feed of fertilizer every now and then. And don't forget to check for pests. With regular care and attention, you'll soon see your garden start to thrive. Starting a vegetable garden is a simple and rewarding process. Let's recap. First, choose a suitable location for your garden. Next, select the vegetables you wish to grow. Then, get your hands dirty and plant your garden, remembering to care for it regularly. Each garden is a reflection of its gardener, so don't hesitate to experiment and learn as you go. If you found this video helpful, show us some love with a thumbs up. And do subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.